Okay, 3.1 in Algebra 2 is nth roots and rational exponents. Rational simply means fractional. So I have fractional exponents. Anytime you have a fractional exponent, it's always going to be power over the root. So if I want to know what 4 to the 3 halves is, 4 to the 3 halves, I always recommend you do the root first. So that's the square root of 4, then to the third power. What is the square root? Because this is power over root. What is the square root of 4? 2 to the third power makes this 8. Now, how about if I did 8 to the 2/3? Again, I recommend you do the root first. Some of you will fight me because maybe you like giant numbers more than I do. If you take the root first, you'll make it smaller. So I want to know the third root of 8. The third root of 8, and then to what power? The second power. Well, the third root of 8 means what times itself 3 times is 8. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is again is 8. So 2 is the third root of 8. And 2 squared makes this result 4. Anyway, it's always power over root. Okay, 3.1 in Algebra 2 honors, we're going to be doing 3.1, 3 to 37 odds, numbers 51, 53, and 55. I think I told you that it is always power over root. So it is the third root of 2 to the first power. So it would be the third root of 2. And I believe this matches answer C in the textbook. Again, this is power over root. I usually do the root first, so it's a third root of 2, and then raised to the second power. Third root of 2 is 4 to the second power. I'm sorry, third root is not 4. Is that all they have? I don't think there is a third root of 2. So I believe that matches letter D. Okay, let's try number 7, the third root of 12. And it's 12 to the first. So it's power over root. So you would write the third root as a 1/3 power. On number 9, the index is not written. It's a square root. If it's not written, it's a 2. So you write x to the power over root. So this would be x to the 5 halves. Okay, after 9, let's look at 11. Again, now we're going the other way. We have to write it in radical form. Power over root. So it is the 4th root of 5 to the first, or the 4th root of 5 to the first. Either way, it's the same answer, the 4th root of 5. A 1/4 power means a 4th root, just like a 1/3 power simply means the 3rd root. Okay, they want us to find the nth root of A. The nth root of A. So in this case, it's the square root of 64. The square root of 64 is 8. If it was in an equation, it would be positive or negative 8. I don't see this as an equation, so I believe my answer would simply be 8. Okay, we're going to keep going. 21 without a calculator, the 6th root of 64. Well, 64 could be 2 to a power or 4 to a power, right? 2 to the 5th is 32, so 2 to the 6th is 64. The 6th root means a 1/6 power. Power to a power, you multiply your exponents, making it 2 to the first, or simply 2. On number 23, you want to do power over So it is the square root of 16. I do the root first and then to the third power. 4 to the third, 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 again is 64. After 23, let's try 25. It appears again to be power over root. So I want the third root of 27 to the second power. Again, take the root first. Third root of 27. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 again is 27. So the third root of 27 is 3, and it's to the second power. The answer for this one should be 9. I hope these help. Good luck with this section.